Thank you for purchasing the Kinetico home water system. The following is a demonstration on how to change or clean the Mach Kinetico Pre Filter. In order to change or clean your Mach Kinetico Pre Filter, you must first put the Kinetico in bypass mode. This is indicated by the yellow section of the bypass valve. Place the end of the hose in a bucket, sink, or salt tank. Then open the valve located where the hose connects. This will release pressure from the machine. Next, open the upper front valve. Be sure to hold the valve while turning the gray handle, otherwise the valve will spin freely. On older models, you have only one valve with a gray handle. You will begin to hear water being pushed out of the back line. After a few minutes, the water level in the black filter housing will begin to drop. Using the wrench, turn the pre-filter housing clockwise and remove. Dump any excess water and clean the housing. Unscrew and remove the filter. Replace with a new filter or rinse current filter with water to remove dirt before reattaching. Reattach the filter housing by rotating it counterclockwise until it stops. Make sure the marked arrows line up. Next, close both valves so that no water comes out. You have now completed replacing the filter, and Kinetico can be put back into service mode as indicated by the green section of the bypass valve.